How do you plan and execute validation in all of the different browser types and versions, operating systems, and mobile platforms? The world of only one dominating web browser and operating system is behind us. We now have a handful of top-used browsers and new ones popping up frequently. The mobile market has taken the world by storm, and businesses without complete browsers and mobile compatibility could lose precious sales and marketing advantages. How can you make sure that the public face of your company or product behaves correctly to everyone across the world? Introducing QA Mentor's Lab Compatibility Services. We know how expensive and time-consuming it can be for a company to do this kind of testing in-house. We designed this popular service to free you from that difficult obligation. QA Mentor has the software, hardware, and expertise already in place to immediately start validating your application and keep you ahead of your competition. We are continuously investing in new devices and hardware platforms, and we keep ourselves up to date on unsupported browsers and operating system versions. Need mobile testing? Our lab is fully equipped and ready to handle any mobile environment you need. Android, BlackBerry, Apple iOS, Symbian, Windows, Ubuntu, and more. While other companies may take shortcuts, here at QA Mentor, we don't use simulators. We use the real devices, hands-on, to ensure certified compatibility. Maybe you need browser testing. We have that fully covered too. We keep up with all the browser and popular extensions and can set up any of them in our environment to test them for you. With our flexibility, you can pick and choose which ones you want to focus on, or let us help you figure out the best candidates to test. While some places focus only on the browsers, we don't stop there. We know that a user's OS and peripherals can make a difference too. With our compatibility testing lab, we can test your app in nearly all operating systems, software, and hardware platforms. We can check data integrity in any database, identify issues with third-party apps, and confirm that your app looks the way you want it to look for everyone. We can even mimic dial-up through T1 connections to make sure that speed isn't an issue. Even after the initial testing is done, QA Mentor will work to keep your site up to date and error-free, despite the rapid pace of software and hardware updates. We keep up to date with all browser and mobile changes and only recommend additional testing if a potential problem has been identified. Let our family of seasoned, tech-savvy QA engineers ease your worries when it comes to the online face of your company. In this fast-paced environment, you need a team who understands every facet of the industry. QA Mentor is that team. Give us a call today to find out how we can help you stay on top in this rapidly changing mobile world.